Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 rules for living a happy life. If you're looking to boost your happiness and live your best life, stick around. Rule number 1, practice gratitude. Start each day with a grateful heart. Take a moment to appreciate the good things in your life, no matter how small. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. Rule number 2, maintain healthy relationships. Strong relationships are key to happiness. Nurture your connections with family and friends. Make time for those who matter to you and invest in meaningful conversations. Rule number 3, stay active. Regular physical activity boosts your mood and energy levels. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy and stick to it. Your body and mind will thank you. Rule number 4, pursue your passions. Doing what you love brings joy and fulfillment. Whether it's a hobby or a career, make time for activities that light up your spirit. Rule number 5, practice mindfulness. Being present in the moment can reduce stress and increase happiness. Practice mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing, or simply appreciating the present. Rule number 6, help others. Acts of kindness not only benefit others, but also boost your own happiness. Volunteer, help a neighbor, or do something kind for someone else. It feels great to make a positive impact. Rule number 7, set and achieve goals. Having clear goals gives your life direction and purpose. Set achievable goals and work towards them. Celebrate your progress along the way. Rule number 8, stay positive. A positive mindset can transform your life. Focus on the good, practice self-compassion, and surround yourself with positivity. Rule number 9, take care of your health. Good health is the foundation of happiness. Eat a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and stay on top of your health checkups. Rule number 10, live in alignment with your values. Living according to your values brings a deep sense of satisfaction. Be true to yourself and your beliefs, and let them guide your actions. And there you have it, our top 10 rules for living a happy life. Remember, happiness is a journey, not a destination. Which rule resonates most with you? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.